Let's start with the lecture third. Continuous series. Continuous has a class interval and its frequency. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. And its frequency 20, 24, 40, 36 and 20. Let's start with the direct method. Direct method is sum of f into m upon n, and that means sum of frequency. So first of all we have to find the m. M is a mid value. And how we find the mid value? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So here lower limit is 0, upper limit is 10. 0 plus 10 divided by 2, that is 5. Again lower limit is 10, upper limit is 20. 10 plus 20 divided by 2. 30 divided by 2, that is 15. That is 5, 15. Now there is a 10 difference. We take a 5, 15, 25, 35 and the 45. So here we have to find the sum of f into m. Here is a f and here is a m. Now you can see here is again it become a discrete series, f and x. F into m. 20 into 5, 100. 24 into 15, that is 360. Here is 1000, and 36 into 35 is 1260, and here is 45 into 2, that is 90 again, and 0. Now we require the sum of f into m. Sum of f into m is 3620, and sum of frequency is 140. So write it here, 3620 divided by 140. 0 say 0, 2 sevens are, 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are, and 2 ones are. Again 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, and 4 is a carry. 7 fives are 35.6, 25.8. Here is the answer. Now let's start with the shortcut method. So you have to remember the formula. A plus sum of f into dx upon sum of frequency. Now you can see the formula is almost same. Now we have to take a assumed mean. We cannot take assumed mean from the class interval, so that we find the mid value. Now we take a assumed mean from the mid value because it works as a x in a discrete series. Remember. Now I take a 25 as a assumed mean. That is dx. In exam, question paper is not asking for you all of the 3 formulas. You have to calculate only one, but I solve you all of these. Dx. Now you know that the dx we can find that x minus a. Remember x you can see also m, because we take a assumed mean from a m. M minus a or x minus a is the same thing. 5 minus 25 is minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10 and 20. And we require the f into dx. f into dx. मतलब this into this. 20 into minus 20, that is minus 400. 24 into minus 10, that is minus 240. 0, 360 and 400. Now this minus this. 360 minus 240 is 120 of positive. We write 25 plus 120 divided by sum of frequencies this. Now divide 12 divided by 40. We get 0.85. Now see, 25 plus 0.85 is 25.85. Now you can see in a direct method we have answer 25.8, and shortcut method we have also answer 25.85. Let's start with step deviation method. A plus f into dx dash upon sum of frequency into C. For a step deviation method, I'll write a next question. Let's start with this. Class interval is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. And frequency is same, 20, 24. Question is same. I write it again, the method A plus sum of f into dx dash upon sum of frequency into C. So let's start again with the m. 5, 15, you know that lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, 25, 35 and 45. So assumed mean is 25, we take it for 25, and now start with the dx. First of all we have to find a dx, that is minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10 and 20. And next step is dx dash. Dx, now dx dash, and we take a common factor as a 10, because 10 is easily divided by all these. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Now next step is f into dx dash. F into dx dash, that f into dx dash. 20 minus 2, that is minus 40. 24 into this minus 24, 0, 36 and 40. Divided, the answer is 12. So sum of f into dx dash is 12. Now write it 12 upon sum of frequencies, of course 140, into C. C is 10. Now solve the bracket first. This divided by this. 12 divided by 14, we already find here 12 divided by 14 is 0.85. That is 0.85. The answer is same, that is 25.85. So this is our central tendency. First is mean, and we doing a mean with the individual series, discrete series and continuous series. So hope you understand. Thank you.